Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I've made this cute little Easter favor, and the belly band slides off, and inside I've got a mini Ghirardelli square, and I thought I'd share with you how to make that. So I'm going to make a boy favor with you today, and so for my base I've got a piece of Pacific Point, and it is cut to 3 by 5 1/4, and then I've scored it twice at 2 1/2 and 2 3/4. So let's fold that up here real quickly, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my mini Ghirardelli square and a glue dot and pop that inside. And then I've got a piece of Fresh Florals designer paper, and it is cut to 1 3/4 by 7 1/2, and I'm just going to wrap that around and even up those ends and bring in my tailored tag punch. Let me keep those even. Oh, wait. Let's do this way. And we're just going to line this up in here and snip and pop this around. And let's take some multi-purpose glue and add right up here at the tip. And squeeze that together and hold for just a minute. Okay, now we're going to set this aside to dry while we finish up. So for the bunny, I'm going to use Cookie Cutter Christmas and the Cookie Cutter Builder Punch. I've got a piece of Whisper White that I have cut to 1 1/8 wide, and we're just going to slide that into the punch here. And then he's got just little bits of arms that we're going to cut off because this is going to be our bunny's head. Okay, let's move this out of the way for a moment. And on a block, I have the face, which fits the bear in the Cookie Cutter Christmas. And I'm going to ink in Pacific Point. Move that back out of the way. And we're going to color in his ears, and I just do a quick loop up and back, and I'm matching the colors on the treat holder. And let's take our Pacific Point marker and give him some little blue whiskers. Okay, pop this out of the way. And then I have another piece of Whisper White and the 1 1/2 inch circle punch. I'm going to use that for his body. And then a 1/2 inch circle punch for his tail. And then I've got a piece of Whisper White cut to a 1/2 inch wide. And that fits right in the bow slot. So that's his bow tie. And we're going to stamp his bow tie in Lemon Lime Twist. Just going to set that on there a second to pick up some ink. Give it a rub and pull off. Okay, so there's his bow tie. And then I need a pair of feet for the bunny. So I'm going to slide the other end of my piece of paper, oops, right down in the punch here. Oh, can't quite seem to catch both sides. There. Oh, that's the problem. Okay, we're going to go in from here because it's not cooperating with me. Okay, and I want just the feet. So we're going to cut this off here. And let's build our bunny. So I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of the bunny's head and put him right here. And then add some multi-purpose glue to the feet. And pop those on. And then a little bit of glue on his tail. That might have been a little too much glue on his tail, so I'm going to take a scrap here and wipe some of that off. Okay, and his tail is just going to sit out to the side there a little bit. And then I've got a mini dimensional here that I'm going to put on his bow tie. Pull the backing off and stick that up in here. Okay. Bring my treat holder back in here, and we'll put a couple of dimensionals on the back. Pop him down, and let's give him a couple little toes here. And that's it. So we have our boy treat holder. And let's put the belly band back on the girl. And we have our girl treat holder. Quick and easy. And there's still plenty of time to make these for Easter this coming weekend. So thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker at theartfulinker.com. There will be a link to the blog post in the description so that you can see the supplies used, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Thanks. Bye.